Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial, guys. In this video we will be learning many tools available in sheet metal. So let's begin. Open a part file, guys. Click part and select OK. From here change the background to plain white. After that select here right plane and click on sketch. From here select center rectangle tool and make a rectangle at this origin like this. Now let's define it. For that select smart dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line as 120. Now press escape button, hold the control key and select these two lines, make relation equal. Or you can specify the length of other line as 120. Make sure that you have enabled sheet metal tab from here. This is the sheet metal tab. Go into it and this is the option for the base flange. When we select it, here we need to specify the thickness of the plate. I'm specifying here 1 millimeter, and from here you can specify any appearance for this part. This is an optional step, you can skip this as well. I'm selecting this edge flange now. In this window we need to specify this edge and drag it up to here. Now select this edge as well and third edge. We will be selecting 3 edges, and now we need to specify here the length of these edges 50 millimeter, and here we need to specify the flange position. These are different positions available, but we are specifying here first one, that is material inside. After that check this box from here, and now we need to select this hem tool. So after specifying here we need to select the outer edge, and then there are many options available for this type. So I am specifying here fourth type, and then we need to specify the angle. I am specifying as 270 degree and this is 2 millimeter. Then check this box from here, and here is our hem. Now select here miter flange and you need to select this edge. When you select this edge, it automatically changes its position. From here you can flip it by selecting the normal tool. Select a line and from this origin to here make a line. Make sure that this is straight. After that specify the length of this line. I'm specifying here as 10 millimeter. And now as soon as you exit the sketch, this material will automatically appear. This is basically miter flange that we have selected earlier. Then in this window you need to select this edge only, and now we need to specify some offset, start and end offset. This is the start offset, and as you can see we have specified 20 millimeter offset, and this is the end offset. When you specifying here, this is 10 millimeter, and then check this box from here. And since we do not have to do with anything with this plane that was automatically created, so hide it. Select this face and click on sketch. From here select corner rectangle and make here 2 corner rectangles. Now select smart dimensioning tool. The distance between these 2 rectangles are 10 millimeter. And then select here a circle, and from center point to the corners make here 2 circles. Now select smart dimensioning tool and specify the diameter of these 2 circles. I'm specifying as 20 millimeter. And now this dimension should be specified first. This should be 10 millimeter. If you are modeling it, specify this dimension first. Now select here trim entities and select here power trim and select these internals. After that select here smart dimensioning tool and specify the height of this line as 40 millimeter and height of the other line as 25 millimeter. Okay, and now select here a slot. From this point to this point make here a slot, and now let's define it. For that select your smart dimensioning tool and here specify the radius first. I'm specifying here as 5 millimeter and specify the length of this slot, which is 25 millimeter, and then go to sheet metal and select here base flange. Then check this box from here. It will automatically make the thickness as 1 millimeter because our previous sketch was 1 millimeter. Now select this face and click on sketch and make here a straight line, and then specify the distance between these two lines as 10 millimeter. We are going to bend it actually by using the sketch bend. So in sheet metal, this is the option for the sketched bend. In this we need to specify the lower area, and here you can see it will bend like this. As we want this bend to be 45 degree or any other degree you like, so I am specifying here as 45 degrees. So that's how we use the sketch bend tool. We can bend these sheet metal parts like this. And similarly we will be selecting this face and click on sketch and make a line like this. I'm not specifying the smart dimensioning parameter. Select here jog and select here lower area, and as you can see it will have this offset. We can specify here the offset 5 millimeter, and when you check this box here you can see the height. If you want the same height you can check this box from here, and that's how we use the jog feature in sheet metal. And after that go to here design library, and here we have in forming tool we have these Louvers. So just click and drag it here on this body. We can flip it from here. Even we can specify the degree here. I am specifying here 180 degree because I want this in this orientation. You can flip it, and now go to your position and select smart dimensioning tool. From this midpoint to this line here specify the distance as 20 millimeter. From this center point to this line here specify the distance as 60 millimeter, and then check this box from here. Now we need 5 of these Louvers, so for that I will use the linear pattern. Here we have the linear pattern in features tab. So in this direction one we need this vertical direction, and then in features and faces tab we need to select this Louver, and here we need to specify the distance. I want the distance of 20 millimeter from each other, and here specify 5, and just simply check this box from here and linear pattern has been applied. And that's how we create this part by using many different tools and features available in sheet metal. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.